Hello guys, today I'm really excited because as you can see I have two bags in here, and what I got, it's a spotting scope that I received for viewing purposes with a tripod stand, which I think that it's really nice. Let me take everything out of the bag. As you can see, it comes protected with a plastic wrap. This is the proper scope. As you can see, it's camouflage, so you can use it when you go hunting. You have the cap off in here and this extension so that you can stop the glare of the sunlight, which I think it's nice. We have an adjustment here, in here, and the cap button. So I think that it's really nice. You can use it when you're gonna go hunting, bird watching, or anything that you need. I think that it's really nice. Let's see what else comes inside in this other bag. And as I've said, it's perfect to use it when you are outdoors and you wanna go even looking at the night sky. I think that it's gonna be really useful. Okay, this is a tripod stand where we can place the scope. Okay, you can see it has a nice size. So let's open it up. You can open up this. We lock it. This. We can extend this part. We have a level in here so we can make sure that it's perfectly still. This part we can just extend it up. This. I'm gonna extend all of them. And as you can see, we can just place it in here. We can adjust it. This other side we also have a level so we can make sure that it's steady, and we can lock it up, move it around, and in any case use it however we need it. Okay, this, make sure that our scope is ready, and let's test it out. I'm gonna take this cap right here off. Now we can use it. Okay, we can take it off, place it in here, give it a quick and secure tightly like this, and place it back. This, we can adjust the height of it however we need it. We can adjust like this, set the angle however we need it, or if we want to use it like this, we can also set it up. And as you can see, we have different motions on how to assemble it, which I think that it's really nice. We can set it up however we need it. We can lock it at the height that we want. We can just turn it this, and now we can use it.
Something that I think that it's great about this scope is that it has a powerful magnification with a easy zoom variable from 25 times up to 25 magnification, and a dynamic lens focusing system allowing you to lock onto your target for even more details, and it will focus really nice. It has a multi-coated and BAK4 roof prism to increase the light transmission, and it delivers a bright and clear image even in low light conditions. The 80mm objective lens of the scopes provides a field of view up to 1,000 yards, and you can adjust the focus really quickly to lock onto the target and zoom in, which makes it perfect to go hunting or any kind of outdoors activities that you need. Its waterproof and fog-proof design can cope with any kind of rainy and snow days, so that way you can be affected by the weather and be completely protected in any kind of conditions.
Which I think that it's really nice, perfect to use it outdoors or wherever you need it. As I've said, you can use it to go hunting or wherever you need. The proper stand, it's really nice. It feels of an amazing quality, and I think that it's great because that way you can use it whenever you need it, make any kind of adjustments, and make sure that it's really ready to set it up and go night sky looking or whatever you need. So overall, as you can see, it's really nice. I like a lot the design. As I've said, you can make all kind of adjustments if you need it. And overall, because it's really nice, the tripod stand, it's excellent. I think that it's a really advantage to have one that lets you do all these kinds of micro adjustments to see better. It's great. And overall, because it's really nice, it feels of an amazing quality, I will really recommend it. See you guys.